today's video, we'll be making a simple and easy dish.
The ingredients we will need for the chicken are 2 chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. In a small bowl, add together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, cilantro, ground cumin, black pepper, garlic powder, and the paprika. Whisk until all the ingredients are mixed together. For the chicken breasts, I recommend cutting them in half so they're easier to cook. Add chicken and marinade to a large Ziploc bag or container. Let the chicken marinate for about 15 minutes. Set aside for later. For the avocado salsa, you will need 2 large avocados, 1 tomato, I'll be using aroma tomato, 1/2 cup of diced cilantro, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/2 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 garlic clove minced, and lastly salt to taste. Gently toss together to mix. To cook the chicken, you could use a grill or a skillet. For today, we'll be using a skillet. For the pan, heat to medium-high. Add a little bit of olive oil. Cook the chicken on each side for about 6 to 8 minutes until the chicken is no longer pink. Remove from heat and let it sit. And there we have it!
And And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next one.